guys, today I have received my Rockwell Razor 6C and I thought I would unbox it with you. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Wow. So in the box we've got the razor and with a plate, which is a 3-piece razor. This razor's got numbers on the bottom of it. 2 and 4 on that side. Let's just see what we've got in the box. Top plate. We've got another plate with 6 and 5 on there. And this one I can't get out. This is, come on, 3 and 1. And pack of Rockwell Swedish blades, 5 of those. What else we got in here? A little instruction manual. So it says here, thank you for purchasing this Rockwell razor. It's a 6S, 6C and 2C, allow you to adjust the angle at which your blade shaves your facial hair on any given day. So it's an adjustable razor, and the idea is rather than like a screw turning one like a lot of the Mercures and different blades, different razors do. This one you change the plates out. So it says here, R1 plate is for sensitive skin, R2 somewhat sensitive, R3 average skin, 4 harder skin, 5 hardy skin, coarse facial hair, and 6 hardy skin, coarse facial hair. So it's saying as well that this is when you're coming from cartridges to start with the number 1, shaving every day. This is a little sort of heavier 5 o'clock shadow. You shave with the 2. Somewhat sensitive skin, spots prone to irritation. Spot 3, size 3, average skin. So skin that's sometimes irritated by cartridges, shaving short stubble, shaving every 1 to 3 days. 4 is hardier skin, which is ingrown hairs, longer stubble, 3 to 5 days you shave between shaves. 5 is for shaving off short beards, and 6 is for shaving off long beards. And here it sort of describes how you actually change the plate. So I'll show you that right now. Pop that down there. So the idea is, let's go with plate number 1. So this is the least aggressive, so this is sensitive skin. And the idea is you pop your razor in here, pop those together. With the number facing down is the actual edge that you're going to be using. So this is the mildest, so it'll have the least amount of edge showing in there. And then we just screw that together. And you're ready for a shave. Really nice, got a lot of weight. It's about 137 grams. Normally when you put a blade in, there's a little bit of an overhang on each side, so which is normal. That's what you've got to do if you're shaving your head like I do. You just got to watch when you're shaving around your ears. But overall, it's a great system because you can change as you go. From mild to coarse or very coarse. It's a good little pack. Cost me about $100. I think it's about $97. Is it going that way? Back in there. Back in the box. That's the Rockwell 6C, chrome plated, full metal construction, 5 blades included, and an instruction manual. Very, very nice razor, nice packaging. I think you can, the 6C's the cheaper one. You can get the 6S, which is, I think it's double the amount of money. So I think it's $200, but it is stainless steel. So this one is just chrome plated, hence the cheaper price. There you go, guys. Good luck. I'm going to shave with that and let you know how I go.